In this video, discover how to fix a stuck Apple Watch band, plus get over 5 bonus tips on how to prevent a stuck release button or Apple Watch band in the future. Hey, Marco here from Spartan Watches, and this channel is your ultimate guide to the Apple Watch. In this 2024 update, we're bringing you fresh insights and solutions on a topic we've covered before. Stick around until the end of the video for exclusive tips on fixing a stuck Apple Watch band and release button. Why does the release button get stuck? The release button on your Apple Watch can get jammed, making swapping bands impossible. This is a common issue for many Apple Watch users. Whether wearing your Apple Watch to the gym, to bed, during meals, or out with friends, it's exposed to various elements. And over time, grime can build up, leading to a stuck release button and Apple Watch band. Another reason your band may get stuck, some Apple Watch cases allow oil or gunk to accumulate in the watch band channel slot and or on the band ends themselves. 7 steps to get your release button and band unstuck. First, turn off your Apple Watch, and if you have a case on it, remove it for now. Press the release button and attempt to slide your band out. You can use an object similar in thickness to the band to gently push it out at a downward angle, utilizing gravity to aid the process. If your band remains stuck, use a small brush or an old toothbrush to remove any excess dust, dirt, lotion, or gunk from the band slots and around the release buttons. Run your Apple Watch under warm water for 15 to 20 seconds, focusing directly on the release buttons. Dab a swab in WD-40 or Isopropyl alcohol and gently apply it to the release buttons. After cleaning your Apple Watch, press and hold the release button when sliding your band out. You may see some dirt and grime exit the band. Carefully apply gentle force or use the same method from step number 2 to slide the band out, ensuring not to damage your Apple Watch. Once your band is off, I highly recommend thoroughly cleaning the connector hole before sliding in any new Apple Watch band. How to prevent stuck release button on Apple Watch. Avoiding sticky substances as a preventative measure. Avoid exposing your watch to substances that could cause stickiness like lotions or oils or sticky foods. Regularly clean your Apple Watch and the release buttons, and that will prevent the buildup of grime and dirt that could lead to the button getting stuck in the future. Before you find out the secret bonus tips on getting your release button unstuck, please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video so far, because it helps our channel reach more Apple Watch users like you. Bonus tips to fix your stuck Apple Watch release button. Apply heat. Sometimes gently warming the area around the release button can help loosen it. Using a heating pad or hair dryer on a low setting around the button area for a short period. Keep it at a safe distance to avoid overheating your Apple Watch. Use compressed air. Using a can of compressed air to blow out any debris or dust that might be lodged in the release button's mechanism. This can often dislodge particles that are causing the button to stick. Vacuum out the dust. Using a vacuum cleaner over your release button, suction out as much dust as possible. Your goal is to get your release button as clean as you possibly can. Professional electric cleaning fluid. Use a professional cleaning fluid like CRC QD electronic cleaner. When using isopropyl alcohol, apply it sparingly to avoid damage. Gentle tapping technique. Tap lightly around the release button area with a soft tool to loosen any particles. Additionally, you can use a non-ammonia cleaner for the channel slot and band ends. Clean the connection point of your band with warm water and dish soap to ensure no residue is left. For your convenience, you may want to try the UltraView watch cleaning kit from Amazon to help you with the cleaning process. If you're still experiencing issues with the release button on your Apple Watch, it might be time to schedule an appointment with the Apple Store Genius Bar or take your watch to a professional for cleaning. They have specialized tools and experience dealing with such issues without damaging the watch. To learn more and to enhance your Apple Watch experience, check out my new book, The Ultimate Guide to Mastering Your Apple Watch, now available on Amazon in Kindle and paperback. Thank you for watching. And to learn more about your Apple Watch, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.